Imagine a world where sending money is as quick as a text message, where your financial privacy is respected, and daily transactions feel as seamless as handing over cash. This vision is the essence of Dash, a cryptocurrency that was specifically crafted to be digital cash for everyday use. Born in 2014 from a fork of Bitcoin, Dash is designed to enhance the transaction experience by introducing faster processes and heightened privacy, distinguishing itself from its predecessor while still leveraging blockchain technology. At its core, Dash operates through a unique two-tier network system that sets it apart. Miners validate transactions to secure the blockchain, employing the well-known proof-of-work model. However, it's the masternodes that lend Dash its extraordinary features. By locking away 1,000 Dash coins as collateral, masternode operators take on significant responsibilities, enabling instant transactions via instant send and ensuring strong governance through voting. This collaborative system helps maintain a decentralized network, cultivating a secure environment for users. One of the standout features of Dash is Instant Send, which revolutionizes the speed of cryptocurrency transactions by allowing confirmations in mere seconds. The convenience of using Dash for various everyday payments, be it at restaurants, shops, or for online purchases, has contributed to its growing popularity among users seeking efficiency and reliability. In addition to speed, the Private Send feature enhances users' financial privacy by obscuring transaction origins, appealing to those who wish to keep their activities discreet, yet still functional within legal frameworks. Despite its advantages, Dash doesn't come without challenges. As privacy coins face increasing scrutiny from regulators, Dash's identity as a secure and fast digital cash solution is at risk. However, the vibrant community behind Dash remains strong, supporting its development and advocating for its real-world utility in diverse environments. With its blend of innovative technology, practicality, and community-driven governance, Dash has carved out a distinct presence in the cryptocurrency landscape. As we look to the future, Dash holds the promise of maintaining its relevance, serving as a readily accessible solution for everyday financial transactions.